Yeah.
That's original. I haven't seen that before.
So I just deleted all the German names from my phone. It's now completely Hans-free.
You get 5 minutes, man. Get off. Don't be that guy.
Well, welcome to Open Mic. We're about to get this thing started. So we got the next comic coming to the stage. Charlie, the Cannibal Comedian!
Wow, you guys look great tonight. I'm getting hungry.
Hey, don't worry about you in the back, all right? There's always room for second helpings, huh? Total narcissist, really into himself. He only eats his own flesh. Is that too much dead time? Of course you'd like that, Joe.
Everybody give a round of applause for Charlie the Cannibal Comedian.
Hey, how we all doing tonight? Good. So, I was out with this girl last night. She wasn't too pretty on the outside, but as I say...
What are you gonna do to me?
It's her insides that count, right?
What is this? What's going on?
Not funny!
Stop! I want my money back.
I need to reevaluate my career.
You're never gonna amount to anything. I'm a stand-up comedian, damn it.
Hilarious! Ha 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 ha! Oh, it's so funny! You're one note!
You should be paying me to be here.
Encore! Come on! You gonna stop chilling now that you're a working comedian? Nah. What a drag.